Welcome to all. Now the new topic I am going to teach is blending modes. What is mean by blending modes? So blending modes means you are blending two objects. So how easily you can blend two objects. So today I am giving is I have opened this image and opened this image. What I am going to do here, I am clicking this and moving to this image to here. Now this image is moved here. So I'm clicking on the control or command on the corner. I'm reducing the size. I need a different perspective. What I need to do, I click on this. Then I am going to change my perspective. So now I perspective I change. I am removing the background. See now you can see that this is perfectly. This is come. But one important thing I'll tell you, once you've done this, so I want to see the fish is coming here or fish is come this place, anything I can do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce little bit opacity of this image. So it will be blend with this aquarium. Okay, now you can see that it is within the water. Now you can see the blending modes. You can select different blending modes, darken. Oh, these are mainly easily can merge. It will increase the pixels. Then these are the lightens. And these are the overlays it will work. And these are vivid colors would come. Okay, now you can understand for us it is only for it's very dissolve is another effect. This is a normal. So these are the different effects. Depends upon your project, it will be very much useful. So I'm just putting this, I'm just increasing the opacity and how it look like. So this is very prominent to the this one, but it is not merging easily. I need to go to another one. This is a one way we can do that. Another one, I am deleting this layer. Then I am going to put one more layer on here. Then I am planning to put a gradient. I am changing a different gradient. I'm looking for some colorful gradient. So some reds. Now I'm going for blending modes. Again, I'm moving move tool. Then I'm going for blending modes. When you're doing the artwork, these type of effects you can utilize it. Here you can see I applied for entire area. So you can reduce the opacity and check how it is look like. Okay, now you see the difference. Same way, I am going to open two more other images. So here also I am putting here, I am selecting some green based gradients for another layer. Pinks, oranges. Okay, we'll take oranges because you'll get a morning sunlight type of effects. Then control this one. Then I am going to move tool. Then I am selecting the modes. Then I am reducing the effect. Can you see the different effects you are getting? See, now you subtract me, this is also a good effects you will get. And again, if you apply the hue or saturation, then here you can adjust it. And if I am taking another image, okay, I'm putting one more layer only without anything. Sometimes what I used to do means if I am getting a low quality image, I am duplicating this. Then I am duplicate it again through the drag and drop. Then I'll do the same image. I'll do the multiply and darken. So I will get a different effect. See, sometime I will get a light image. I will do like this, more darken. See, you're getting same image and drag and dropped. You are getting different effects. Now I am putting one more layer. Then I am putting one color, complete color. See, I am putting red. Control delete is the command. Then I am reducing the opacity. Then I am doing this blending modes. So you will get an amazing result. What you need to do, you need to go through these options, do with images, do with gradients, do with color, do with drag and drop the same images and do that. Mixing with different images, I showcase you here. Whenever you have two images, you can also do the same thing. Then you will get a multiple effects on that. So utilize these blending option. You can create amazing creativity using this. Thank you for watching this demo. We'll go to the next topic.